Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a refund on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone or go to the DoorDash website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access your orders. Once you are on the home screen, look for the Orders tab. This is usually located at the bottom of the app or in the main menu on the website. Tap or click on Orders to see your recent purchases. Now, find the order that has the issue. It could be an order with missing items, wrong food, or something that never arrived. Tap on that order to open the details page. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see a help button or a small question mark icon. Tap on that to open the support options. You will now see a list of common issues. Choose the one that best matches your problem. For example, you can select missing items, never delivered, wrong items, or bad quality. After selecting the issue, follow the instructions on the screen. You may be asked to provide more details about what went wrong. In some cases, you can also upload photos to support your request. Once you have entered all the necessary information, you will be asked to choose how you want your refund. You can usually select DoorDash credits or a refund back to your original payment method. Review your request and then submit it. DoorDash will process your request and notify you once it is approved. Thanks for watching.